How to recover deleted messages on Messenger. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Facebook. And once you do that, you want to click on the three lines or the profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. And once you are here, you need to navigate to your settings. And here, scroll down till you find the information section. And from there, click on download your information. You will get to this page right here, in which, as you can see, Facebook here tells you a bit about this section. So as you can see at the bottom right here, you will find a lot of information that you can download. As you can see, it contains everything that you do on Facebook. However, what we are looking for is we want the messages. So to make things easier, what you need to do is you need to deselect all of these informations and then select messages only. Now, once you do this, you need to scroll all the way down to the end of the page. As you can see at the bottom right here, you will have some options like the date range, the format, and the media quality. So you can adjust them depending on what you want, or you can just leave them as they are and click on create file. And once you do that, as you can see, you will be requesting a copy of a file that contains all of your informations, in our case all of our messages. And as you can see, it's pending, and depending on the like size of your file and how many messages it contains, it can take like a while for it to get ready. For me personally, it didn't take like no longer than 10 minutes, so it was less than 10 minutes. So once your file is ready, Facebook will notify you, and as you can see here, I have requested a file right here. So you will get something like this at the bottom. Just click on download. And once you do that, you will be redirected to your mobile browser to download the file. Now, sometimes it might ask you to enter a password confirmation. So if it does, just go ahead and enter your password so it can allow you to download the file, which is will be like this, a zip file that you will need to extract. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, once you have extracted the file, you will get something like this. So let's click on messages. And here, as you can see, it will show you all of the messages that you have on Messenger and Facebook. So let's just click on inbox, and as you can see here, it will show you the people that you have messaged. So let's go ahead and select a random one. Let's click on this, and this will actually open up the a page on a browser which contains all of your messages, even the deleted one, the unsent one, everything, every single message that you had with this person, it will show up right here. It's that easy and simple, and you can do the same for the rest of uh, your contacts or your chats and conversations. So that was it for this video. That's how you can recover, retrieve, and get back your deleted or removed messages on Messenger. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.